morning, students. So today we are going to see about the artificial intelligence unit 5. So unit 5 is full of case study concept. So unit case study concepts, what is the first topic is disease prediction, share price forecasting, weather prediction, domain specific case studies. You are going to see all those things about the unit 5 topic. So the first case study you're going to see here, disease prediction. So disease prediction, you're going to use algorithms, and what are the applications of using the AI of using the disease prediction. So disease prediction in AI, rapidly growing field in healthcare where AI and machine learning models are used to predict the livelihood of disease in patients. And then what is the often yearly and most accurately than traditional methods. So this is a disease prediction of using the AI model. So what is going to performing in the disease prediction of AI means it is involved using the algorithm trained on medical data to predict the onset, progression of a livelihood of disease such as diabetes, cancer, heart disease, COVID-19 and mental health disorder. So these are and all one examples. You are going to find the prediction model to train the patient. Day by day you can monitoring, and then you can get some samples to collect the whether the patients are cancers affected or not. So all those things accuracy you can find the report itself. So all those things comes under the disease prediction of the model. And the disease prediction, or how it work to perform the disease prediction here. So you can collect the data, right? So that is the first processing you can do, data collection. So AI need lot data set. So AI is a n number of data set. Okay, so you can collect the particular patient data set, that is a EHR, is nothing but electronic health records and lab test result, medical image, that means x-ray, MRI, CT scans and all, and then genomic data, webinar device data is nothing but heart rate, and then activity, sleeping, these are and all, it's data collection of the function. And second criteria, feature engineering is relevant features, age, you can that particular percent of age, that is important, whether the sugar, this particular age, we don't know which particular age will be there, the sugar diabetes is causing of this disease. Okay, and then BMI is a blood pressure of the human patients, and then glucose level. So all those is model you can prepare to extract of the disease prediction. And then model selection, you can select the model to train the accuracy of the function, right? So the common model, that means logistic regression, that means the binary classification, you can find whether the disease or no disease. Okay, you can performing in the algorithmic also. And then decision tree and random forest also, you can predict whether the disease or not. Okay, and then the SVM, that is the one good model to find out the disease. And then deep learning is CNN, RNN, also the image, purpose and time series data you can find out. XGBoost and Light GBM is a high performance of the tablet to data modeling. And then fourth topic is a training and validation. So the model learn pattern that disease is outcome of the labeled data. So all those things comes under how the disease prediction work, how they are working to the performance of the first. You can collect some data collection, so that is a blood samples and reports, that and all that, how you're going to how you're going to accuracy, and how you're going to model the performance of the model selections. Okay, so the four subset of the function you're going to work it in the disease prediction. Okay, the next case study is share price. Okay, that the another name you can call it as a stock market forecasting price. Okay, so the predicting share price is a stock marketing forecasting price. So using AI, one of the model popular and challenging application in finance. So AI model aim to learn pattern from historical stock and data used to then the forecast future price or trends. So trends and patterns they can using as a share price share prediction model here. So how the overflow of the functions to the share price prediction system, right? So pre-processing, model training and prediction. So and then evaluate the matrix. So the four types of functions, the flow, workflow of the diagram to using the share price prediction. Okay, the last case study of the unit 5 is a forecasting weather prediction. Weather prediction means nowadays we don't know. You can analyze, you can modify to the, you can analyze through the phone itself. For example, today the sunny, what is the temperature for the Chennai or other states? You can analyze in the phone itself. You can see it in the notification, right? So like that weather forecasting, it will intimidate to in our environment application itself. Okay, so today we don't know it's a sunny or rainy, but the temperature is the climate of you're going to consumption, and you're going to predict the model. So that purpose is called it as a forecasting weather prediction here. So weather prediction is a science of predicting conditions of the functions like temperature, humidity and wind, or sunny, overtime, anything else. Okay, with the integrated of AI and machine learning, weather prediction has become faster, more accurate and more localized than additional physical based model alone. So what functions of you're going to predict the forecasting weather? Okay, whether the climate changing, you can predict how whether today will rainy will come or not, or sunny will too hot or too more hot or day, we cannot predict. So the environment, you can analyze all those things, you can forecasting the weather prediction, and you're going to predict some model here. Okay, so the data collection, pre-processing, model, train, prediction, evaluation. So already we saw about the share price and then stock price example case study. Also for these also they have given these. So data collection is a full real-time data from satellite, sensors. So these satellite and sensor, they are monitoring the climate function. And then pre-processing means clear and normalization data, handling missing values and scale variabilities. Model training means train ML and DL model to learn from the historical patterns. Okay, and then prediction is nothing but forecast temperature, whether it is sunny or rainy. So what is the hours and days you are going to go ahead of the function. And then valuation means you can mastery of the function MAE is nothing but mean absolute error. So whether it is rain or not, whether it is sunny to hot, so we could not accurate purpose you could not do. So but you can predict, you can analyze using the data collection, that means the satellite and sensors. So okay, so these are the good examples of given one case study, weather forecasting prediction.